a very interesting topic, that is gland. The glands are the in our body present at various places. They produce some chemicals required for our body. There are different glands, but all the glands are categorized under three headings, that is exocrine glands, endocrine glands, and heterocrine glands. Now let us understand what are these glands. Exocrine glands, these are the glands present at various places in our body. They produce some chemicals required for our body, and suppose the target of this chemical is at this place. This chemical has to work at this place. Then how this chemical are transported here? If it is an exocrine gland, then it transports the chemical by its own pipe. It has its own duct. It has its own pipe to transport its material. Then this gland is called exocrine glands. The glands that transports its secretions by the help of its duct, by the help of its pipe, that is called exocrine glands. And the chemical they produce, this chemical is called enzyme. Okay. There are different examples of exocrine glands, that is like tear gland, salivary gland we can say. Okay. Similarly, uh, endocrine glands. Suppose this is a gland, they are producing the chemicals required for our body, and suppose this chemical has the target at this is the target site. Then how this chemical are transported here? These glands do not have its own duct, they do not have its own pipe to transport this chemical to the target. Then how this chemical is transported? This chemical is transported to the target by the help of blood. This chemical is deposited into the blood, and the blood carry that chemical to the target site. Then this gland that chemicals and that is deposited into the blood, and blood transport to the target site. Then this gland is called endocrine glands. There are pituitary gland, adrenal glands. These are some common examples of endocrine glands. And the chemicals that is produced by the endocrine glands, they are called hormones. The chemicals that is produced by the endocrine glands, that is called hormone. Okay. Next is the heterocrine glands. Heterocrine glands, they are also called mixed gland. They are also called mixed gland. They have both function. They act as a exocrine also, and they act as a endocrine also. They produce some chemicals by the help of duct. That chemical is transported to the target site. They also produce other types of chemicals that is deposited into the blood. It means they have both function, endocrine function also, exocrine function also. So they are called mixed gland or heterocrine glands. The most common examples of this mixed gland, that is pancreas. Okay. This pancreas produces both enzyme as well as hormone. They produce the enzyme like lipase, amylase, trypsin, and also produce the hormone like glucagon, insulin. Okay. It means they have both functions. Thank you for watching. Best of luck.